That's candy, not because you're a batty man. You bring down your baby mother like that. Well, you can't bring on the girls, so. But guess what? No five girl in my Jamaica, then shut up. They shut up. And love batty man. Some of them are secret to hide that take batty man. If me know say a boy a batty boy, I don't want him. Unless me don't know say a batty man. You bring down your baby mother, you bring down your baby mother to candy, you bring down your baby mother. Eh? You meet her in a Burger King, you carry go fuck her on that tree. You never have to talk that on the internet, dirty man. But everybody should know say Batman on a heart, you know. I know how some of the girl born lie down with Batman like on no sense. Baby germs are killing for one, you know. Baby germs are killing for one. I don't think candy she not ashamed because big girl that, you know. Dirty Candy is a big girl. You never know. So Candy go like girl, so she look like girl. You don't see her wig on her head, she look better than even we as a girl. You don't see how Batman then go like girl. So woman like how we know if we go lay down and make a Batman baby. At least me don't know say one Batman that a blood clot. Me don't know say a man a fuck Batty and go breed for them and fuck them. No Batman. Me not busy with no lifestyle still, you know. Cause I watch, you know. I big you know up on everything. But if you come on top of me, no, I don't want a Batman. Why Candy a half full? You know, if you change Candy, God no. You know, if you bring a baby mother like that, you get a one youth if you respect her as a baby mother. Respect a baby mother because she give one pitney as a Batman. Enough Batman now no pitney for sure. I have one for sure. So respect that girl who give you one no matter what. She gave you a kid. Respect her because enough Batman no have not one seed on God land. And you get one nice pretty son and you bring on the girl like that. You don't have to bring down your baby mother, not because he's a fish. And she didn't know say you're a fish too, can be listening to the video. You say you don't mingle with man at the time when you breed a baby mother. Them Jamaican girl and have no sense in other side. Some of them body shit up and the whole of them shit up and then so think. Because sometimes I take bus as fat as me be, I don't think. And I take bus and I smell some girl coming a bus. So then think because the body man when them a mingle with and then shit up. What I mean, every human being stinking out, so nobody get it twisted like say, me never smell frowns yet I want to be it. Every human being stink. No girl pants can't tell me, say every human being if you don't beard, especially girl pitney, woman like we. If you no blood clot, your little pussy stink. I rank up no blood clot. A man have to be for 2-3 days. Make a woman do it and see what happen. Ranking selfish blood clot that ton. So, nobody not go on like say they never even rank it. Me rank no blood clot sometime. But I be the power of the whole day and me rank and me run